What up, dude?
Hardhead.
What up, dude?
I already knew he did. He hardhead. Jeremy
Look,
Jones.
I'm in this bitch with a bunch of burning niggas. You understood?
I'm gonna throw it out there. Fuck it.
Motherfuckers. Hey.
Damn.
Live again for the 10th time.
For the 10th time.
To the motherfucking 10th time.
Damn.
You little?
Oh yeah, you ain't going nowhere.
Damn.
It's
It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's over.
Damn. It's a wrap.
Oh, y'all call it the new.
Damn. Hey, this a bunch of Avondale niggas I grew up with. You understood?
Can't killing this bitch.
Woo.
You know what I'm
Fuck they
saying?
playing
Got that
like-
40 on my hip.
Nigga.
Cutting heads cool with them blades on me.
Hey, these niggas in this bitch don't talk dangerous shit. Dangerous.
That big ass hoe.
Damn.
Big ass
Damn. Damn.
too fast when I'm in here.
Come on, man.
You ain't in here.
Come on, man.
Ooh, that's a big
Damn.
That's a big hoe.
Damn.
We here with it.
Do y'all want it?
Damn.
Let's get
What them niggas playing like,
They
bruh?
want no smoke, man. They want no
Look.
You want the whole thing.
Everybody around me strapped, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Damn. What they playing like, bro? I don't give a fuck who you with. Everybody around me strapped, bro.
You know what I mean?
You hear me? Damn.
my nigga whip.
That's everywhere I go. Oh, shit.
Back in the booth. 2 G's to Great Casio. 2BU. Mr. 513. Yeah. Jail only made me stronger, so none of y'all can break me. To the system, I'm a monster. Jeepers Creepers, part 3, the way I keep it going. Got 'em watching my moves, they don't know what I'm doing. Him dummy man never had a clue. No, I ain't interested. No, if it ain't interesting. So no more questions, don't suggest a thing. Nosy all of my business, something like Lois Lane. Why would I need an attorney if I ain't did a damn thing? Right. Rest in peace to the chill. This time I got it. Tell baby I want my skill. Don't make me go in your pockets. All the BS counted for it. 4th down, I'm going for it. In this bitch like an open door. Man, I spit like a 4-4. This what the natty did to me. 7 banging for mass. My bars pistol with peace. 16s at a time. Yeah, yeah. I am street hop. Hell yeah. No R&B, but I soul rock. Tell them niggas this gangsta rap. Young niggas ain't ready for that. Old niggas getting paybacks. Whole niggas get it ASAP. I refuse to be broke or be left dead and forgotten. Man, in the natty, that's how it goes. Why you think niggas is plotting? Woo! Shit's real, that's all I live. You ain't shit still, that's all it is. Hope the real paying attention. Hope my girl never play me. You see how they got me living. All heated up, no AC. Like a gangster movie, I'm only playing my part. How you gon' finish or do me when you don't know where to start? In the meantime, you cutting all of my me time. Call yourself step and laugh, make sure you got your shoes tied. Tryna see I see now with the red eyes. This my GNI, street style, who said aside? Tell the truth, I'm just playing with this. Back in the booth, I'm the man with this. Grown man and shit. That's a plan, little bitch. All I talk is that street shit. I'm a G nigga, so I be on G shit. That 513 shit. That fuck the holy shit. Be missing the industry. Who do it better than me? You ain't fucking with me, ass dollar DC.